Hi everyone, in this video we'll show you how to fix blurry story on your Facebook account. Many of us share Facebook story, but when you go to the quality of this story, it's shown blurry and not in high quality. In this video we'll show you how to increase the quality of your Facebook story. So let's get started. As we say, you open your Facebook like this, Facebook app. Then what you're going to do, you go to your three lines at the top right here. You click on it like this. Then you click on the on the settings icon like this. Then scroll down until you find media. Click on it. Then as you see, it show you this window. It said here video quality. Manage your default video quality and the amount of cellular data you use with the following option. The first option is optimized. Adjust videos to network condition. The second option is data saver. Use up to 14% less data by reducing video quality. If you have this option selected, please remove it like this and select the first option, because when you select the second option, it will reduce your video qualities and your stories you share on your Facebook account. So it will be blurry. Your story is blurry and in bad quality. So I prefer to select the first option. Then what you're gonna do here, if you have a Wi-Fi connection, I prefer to click on only on Wi-Fi only on the second option. So when you finish, as you see here, go out from this section, and your blurry stories will fixed soon. So I hope this video is helpful. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.